That's what came out of the oven. And this is going to be going into the tandir. It's been a huge pain in the ass. I've been working since like 10 in the morning and it's almost 6. I'm not even done. And these didn't turn out very good because what happened was I rolled out the dough, then it got stuck together. I had to roll it out again and it lost its whatever it is. The dough is not so good anymore. It's a huge pain in the ass, man. This is the first and last time I'm doing samsa in the tandir, but I had to do it. So we'll see how it turns out. Right now the fire is on and I'm waiting for it to reach the right temperature and then we'll see. Check out the gloves. Like Freddy Krueger. It's not ready yet. The walls are still like 470 degrees. Even though the fire has really died down. Man, if I put my hand like this, the tips of my fingers hurt. So I might have to use the other glove, but still have to wait. So it's not ready yet. All right, temperature is 350 on the walls, but I think it's time to do it. Here comes the big was is das. Start with the biggest pieces. Yo man, I'm scared to put my hand in there. Bingo. Hot, but bearable. This damn dough is not good. I can tell it's not good. Thin ones, put them at the top. Yo, I'm kind of a natural here. Am I not? I think I am. I think I am. "20 minutes and we see what happens." See the time. 6:26. All right, let's clean up. Man, I forgot the main thing. I gotta show what it looks like. There they are. That's professional, my friends. That is professional. You know what I mean? Alright, it's been 20 minutes. I've been peeping through the hole, and they look pretty good. One of them kind of fell apart. Let's see what's going on here. Oh man, they look professional. And they look ready. Oh my god, this looks like a real fucking Tandir, man. And I feel like I'm in Tashkent or something. Dude. Yo, I'm proud of myself, man. That looks damn good. Alright, let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Before that, I'll take a photo so everybody knows what I was up to. I don't even need to put the coal in there, man. They're ready. They are ready. All right. First one is in, man. Check it out. Tandir has been blessed by the juice of samsa now. I've done bread, now samsa, finally. Finally. And it wasn't easy. This one broke a little bit. A little bit of clay came off with all of them. That's part of the blessing though, so no worries. Yeah, the clay is coming off a bit. Damn it. No more space. That's it. small, tiny pieces of clay have come off. Man, these samsa, they look absolutely professional. And that is the blessing of the samsa juice. That's what a real tandir is supposed to look like, man. That's it. Yo, now I just gotta taste it. But they look very professional. So I'm satisfied. Peace. First bite. Let's see. Holy shit. It's pretty good. And the dough is good. It's much better than the ones I made in the oven. Dude, these are good. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Such a big difference from the oven. Of course, it can be better. I'm not saying it's perfect, but dude, I love my tandir. And I'm proud of myself. Because this turned out to be like semi-professional. Man, so maybe it was worth the trouble. Because it was a lot of trouble. But anyway, take it easy.